Did you know you can create high-quality, SEO-optimized blog content in just minutes without spending countless hours researching or writing? Imagine trained AI that does it all for you. Hi there, I'm Agatha, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to the AI Copywriter Agent, a revolutionary tool built exclusively for content creators and online entrepreneurs like you. Whether you're just starting your blog side hustle or looking to scale your online presence, this agent is your ultimate secret weapon. Our AI Copywriter Agent automates your entire content workflow. It's designed to research trending topics so you're always on the cutting edge, craft comprehensive article plans that give structure to your ideas, research and validate links, ensuring your content is backed by authoritative sources, generate complete, compelling articles tailored to your niche, generate relevant prompts for images that perfectly complement your written content, seamlessly upload drafts straight to WordPress for easy review. Struggling with consistency, SEO, or just finding the time to create quality content? I understand you, and don't worry. Our AI Copywriter Agent tackles these challenges head-on. It boosts efficiency by automating time-consuming tasks, freeing you up to focus on strategic growth. With built-in SEO best practices, every piece is optimized to rank higher in search results and drive more organic traffic. Businesses across industries, from banking to e-commerce, are already reaping the benefits. Imagine doubling your click-through rates, boosting conversions, and engaging your audience like never before. With our AI Copywriter Agent, these aren't just possibilities, they're proven results. Worried about technical skills, time, or cost? Don't be. No tech expertise? No problem. The agent is designed for beginners and pros alike. Short on time? The agent automates research, drafting, and even image generation, letting you focus on most important things. Budget constraints? It's a cost-effective solution compared to hiring full-time writers or freelancers. Now, here's the best part. You have two options to get started with our AI Copywriter Agent. Option 1, book a consultation with me where I'll give you a live demo of the AI Copywriter in action. We'll have time to answer all your questions and discuss how it can be customized to meet your specific needs. Option 2, if you're a DIY enthusiast, you can opt for our comprehensive ebook. This guide walks you through every step of building and customizing your own AI Copywriter Agent. So, which one do you prefer? Would you rather book a consultation for a personalized demo or fill out the form to get the ebook and dive into a DIY solution? Transform your content strategy and launch your blog side hustle to new heights. Let's revolutionize your content and accelerate your online success together. Click the link to book a consultation or fill out the form and grab your DIY ebook today.